Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm breaking down how easy it is to buy XRP on the Wirex app. If you're into crypto, you know XRP is making waves. So, let's get you set up. First, download the Wirex app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, and if you're new, sign up for an account. It's quick, just follow the prompts to verify your email and identity. Already have an account? Great, log in. Next, you'll need to add some funds. Tap on Accounts at the bottom, select the currency account you want to top up, and hit Add Funds. You can use a bank transfer or a linked card. Easy peasy. Now, on to the fun part, buying XRP. Tap on Exchange at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll select the currency you want to exchange from and choose XRP as the currency you want to buy. Enter the amount you wish to purchase. You can see the current rates and fees here too. Confirm your transaction and voila! You now own XRP. You can see your new XRP balance under the Accounts tab. Need to send some XRP? Just tap on your XRP account, then send. Enter the recipient's address, the amount, and confirm. It's that simple. That's it, folks. Buying XRP on Wirex is a breeze. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Happy trading. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.